Welcome to the Baby Trend YouTube video channel. Today we would like to show you how to open and close the Nursery Center Playard. My name is Teresa Holland and I am the Customer Service Manager. When you have the Playard, place it in an upright direction. Go ahead and spread out the four corners, keeping the center upright. Lock the sides, all four. When you want to lock the side rail, you do want to pull from the side, you don't want to pull from the center. Once all four sides are locked, go ahead and push down on the center. To pull the Playard, place the center in an upright position, turn the handle, pull up, and then unlock the sides. To release the sides, click in the side button and let it fall down. Now the Playard is folded. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or feedback, please list it below.